Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix slow charging speed on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So, if you want to fix it, then first what you guys want to do is make sure that you use the bundled charger and a cable. This is very important because if you use a third-party one, it may not work as it's supposed to. That's why we prefer using the original charger. Next, what are we gonna do is we're gonna get a not microfiber cloth, but the soft brush, and we're gonna get and simply clean our USB-C port at the bottom. So we want to get inside of it, do it slowly, and if we see anything that's dirty, we just brush it all off, and we continue with our job until we do not see anything on our brush. Now, after we're done, we can simply check the settings. So open up the settings just like me, and what are we gonna do is we're gonna scroll down to battery. So go to battery and power saving. Here, click on battery health and charging, and click on charging speed. Make sure that you do not use low temp charge, because this will basically try to keep your phone on low temperature at all costs, but of course it will slow down your charging. So make sure to select smart charge here, and your fast charging will work and there will be no slow charging anymore. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.